Top Dashboard Cams. Welcome back to Tony's Top Tech, where we dive into the latest innovations in technology. Before we jump into today's topic, here's a quick question for you. What feature do you think is the most important in a dashboard camera? Video quality, advanced safety features, or storage capacity? Think about it as we go through our top 10 picks, and I'll reveal my answer at the end of the video. Today we're focusing on a crucial aspect of vehicle safety and convenience: dashboard cameras for automobiles and motorcycles. These tech gadgets are not only great for recording your journeys, but also play a vital role in enhancing your safety and providing valuable evidence in case of incidents. From high-resolution recording to advanced features like GPS and cloud connectivity, we've compiled a list of the top dashboard cameras that you should consider for your vehicle. So, let's hit the road and count down the top 10 dashboard cameras for your automobile or motorcycle. Number 10. ThinkWare U1000. Starting our list at number 10 is the ThinkWare U1000. This high-end dash cam offers 4K Ultra HD resolution for the front camera and 2K QHD for the rear camera. The U1000 provides exceptional image clarity, capturing every detail of the road ahead and behind you. Equipped with built-in GPS and Wi-Fi, the ThinkWare U1000 allows you to track your vehicle's location and manage your footage from your smartphone. Its advanced parking mode includes impact and motion detection, ensuring that you capture any incidents even when your vehicle is parked. The ThinkWare Cloud service allows for real-time monitoring and remote access, making this dash cam a robust option for anyone concerned about safety. Its combination of high resolution, advanced features, and reliable performance makes it a strong contender in the dash cam market. Number 9. Viofo A129 Pro Duo. At number 9, we have the Viofo A129 Pro Duo. This dash cam is known for its excellent balance of performance and affordability. It records in 4K Ultra HD for the front camera and 1080p Full HD for the rear camera, providing clear and detailed footage. The A129 Pro Duo comes with built-in GPS and Wi-Fi, allowing you to access and manage your recordings with ease. One of its standout features is the super capacitor, which offers better temperature resistance compared to traditional batteries. It also includes a parking mode with motion detection and impact sensing, ensuring that you capture events even when your vehicle is not in use. The Viofo A129 Pro Duo's high-resolution recording and comprehensive features make it a top choice for those looking for value and performance. Number 8. Apeman C860. Coming in at number 8 is the Apeman C860. This budget-friendly dash cam offers impressive features for its price point. It records in 4K Ultra HD, providing clear and detailed footage of the road. The C860 also features a 170-degree wide-angle lens, capturing a broad view of the surroundings. What sets the Apeman C860 apart is its built-in G-sensor that automatically saves footage in case of an accident, ensuring you have important evidence when you need it. It also comes with a loop recording feature, which overwrites old footage to make room for new recordings. Plus, it supports SD cards up to 64 GB, giving you plenty of storage for your journeys. The C860's high resolution and affordable price make it a great option for budget-conscious drivers. Number 7. 70mm Pro++. At number 7, we have the 70mm Pro++. This dash cam offers 4K recording with a 140-degree wide-angle lens, ensuring clear and comprehensive coverage of the road. The Pro++ features built-in GPS and Wi-Fi, allowing you to track your location and manage recordings from your smartphone. One of the standout features of the 70mm Pro++ is its advanced driver assistance system, which includes lane departure warnings and forward collision alerts. These features enhance safety by providing real-time notifications of potential hazards. The Pro++ also includes a parking mode with motion detection, ensuring that you capture any incidents while your vehicle is parked. With its blend of recording quality and safety features, the 70mm Pro++ is an excellent choice for safety-conscious drivers. Number 6. Blackview DR750X 2CH. Coming in at number 6 is the Blackview DR750X 2CH. This dash cam offers full HD recording for both front and rear cameras, providing clear and detailed footage. The DR750X 2CH features built-in Wi-Fi and cloud connectivity, allowing you to access your footage remotely and receive real-time notifications on your smartphone. The Blackview DR750X 2CH includes a robust parking mode with impact detection and motion detection, ensuring that you capture any disturbances while your vehicle is parked. It also supports 2-channel recording, giving you both front and rear perspectives. The camera's discrete design blends seamlessly with your vehicle's interior, and its high-quality recording and connectivity features make it a strong choice for those seeking reliable performance. Number 5. Nextbase 622GW. Starting off our top 5 is the Nextbase 622GW. This model stands out with its 4K video recording capabilities and a 140-degree wide-angle lens. The 622GW also features built-in GPS, allowing you to track your vehicle's location and speed. One of the standout features of the Nextbase 622GW is its emergency SOS function, which automatically contacts emergency services in the event of a serious collision. This feature can be a lifesaver, ensuring that help arrives quickly. The Nextbase 622GW also supports Alexa integration, allowing for voice commands and hands-free operation. With its high-resolution recording, advanced safety features, and sleek design, the Nextbase 622GW is a top choice for any vehicle owner. Number 4. Garmin Dashcam 66W. At number 4, we have the Garmin Dashcam 66W. This compact camera offers a 180-degree wide-angle lens and full HD recording, ensuring a comprehensive view of the road. The 66W includes voice control for hands-free operation and built-in Wi-Fi for easy video management. The Garmin Dashcam 66W also features advanced driver assistance systems, including forward collision and lane departure warnings. These features enhance safety by alerting you to potential hazards in real time. Additionally, the Garmin app allows for easy sharing of clips with friends and insurance companies. With its combination of high-quality recording and safety features, the Garmin Dashcam 66W is a solid choice for drivers who value safety and convenience. Number 3. Vantrue N4. Coming in at number 3 is the Vantrue N4, known for its tri-channel recording capabilities. It includes front, inside, and rear cameras, providing comprehensive coverage of your vehicle. The front camera records in 1440p resolution, while the rear camera offers 1080p recording. The Vantrue N4 is ideal for rideshare drivers or anyone needing extensive interior and exterior coverage. It features built-in GPS and a 24/7 parking mode, capturing incidents even when your vehicle is off. One of its unique features is the Super Night Vision technology, which ensures clear footage even in low-light conditions. With its high-resolution recording and thorough coverage, the Vantrue N4 is a top choice for detailed surveillance. Number 2. Street Guardian SG9666 3DC. At number 2, we have the Street Guardian SG966 3DC. This dual-channel dashcam offers front and rear recording in 1080p Full HD. The SG966 3DC features high-performance Sony Starvis sensors for excellent low-light recording, making it ideal for nighttime driving. The camera includes built-in GPS and an advanced parking mode with impact detection. Its reliable performance and durable build make it a great option for those seeking a robust dual-channel camera system. The Street Guardian SG9666 3DC's high-quality recording and low-light capabilities make it a standout choice for drivers concerned about safety and reliability. Number 1. Blackview DR900X 2CH. Finally, at number 1, we have the Blackview DR900X 2CH. This premium dashcam offers 4K Ultra HD recording for the front camera and Full HD for the rear camera. It includes built-in Wi-Fi and cloud connectivity for remote access and real-time notifications. The DR900X 2CH features advanced parking mode with motion and impact detection, ensuring comprehensive coverage even when your vehicle is parked. Its sleek design and high-quality recording make it the ultimate choice for those seeking top-notch performance and functionality. The Blackview app also offers a variety of features, including GPS tracking and easy video sharing, making this dashcam a comprehensive solution for all your recording needs. So there you have it, our top 10 picks for dashboard cameras that will elevate your vehicle's tech setup. Whether you're looking for high-resolution recording, comprehensive coverage, or advanced safety features, these cameras offer something for everyone. Now, about that tech question I posed earlier. What feature do you think is the most important in a dashboard camera? Video quality, advanced safety features, or storage capacity? The answer is that it really depends on your individual needs as a driver. If you prioritize capturing clear evidence in case of an accident, then video quality is key. However, if you're concerned about your safety while driving, advanced safety features like collision alerts and lane departure warnings might take precedence. Ultimately, a well-rounded dash cam that combines these features will give you the best peace of mind on the road. If you enjoyed this countdown and found it helpful, please give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tech reviews and updates. We have plenty more exciting content lined up, including in-depth gadget reviews and the latest tech trends. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you're always updated with our newest videos. Thank you for being a valued subscriber and for watching Tony's Top Tech. Stay tuned for more exciting content right here on Tony's Top Tech.